Aisha, let's move right forward and focus in then on numbers. It's Manappuram Finance in focus, and they have delivered quite a mixed set of numbers. Their gold lending as well has remained very resilient. Collections seem to be at pre-COVID levels. Mr. VP Nandakumar joins in to chat about that and lots more. Good morning, Mr. Nandakumar. Now, a strong growth in the quarter, and that's largely been aided by your gold loan portfolio. Share with us the guidance for gold loan in FY21 and whether or not you believe that this momentum can be sustained going through for FY22 as well.
Yeah, thank you. During the year, during this year, H1, we have grown by 16% as far as gold loan is concerned. And the gold loan portfolio in our overall portfolio, consolidated portfolio, is around 73% now. So the non-gold portion has come down because during COVID period as well as during COVID period, lockdown period also we could grow because transactions could take place because a large portion of our portfolio is in digital gold loan where the transactions can happen even without going to the branch. So that has helped us. And after that also we see good traction. The reason could be as the other loans were not available for some time, that also has helped us. The gold growth traction continues to be good. In non-gold portfolio, collections are seen good. In microfinance, the collections have nearing around 95% now. The last month it was 92%. So in other non-gold businesses like home loans, also home loans as well as vehicle finance, SME, etc. The collections are nearing 97-98%, including area collection. So compared to the industry, compared to the respective industries, our performance are good in a non-gold portfolio also.
Right. Right, Mr. Nandakumar, gold prices as well are at an all-time high and they've been contributing to strong loan growth over here. A quick word on the outlook of your gold loan business for the second half of FY21?
Yeah, the traction is, the growth traction is seen good.
All right. And provisions as well continue to remain a bit elevated due to the COVID-related uncertainty. What is the outlook on your provisioning, particularly from the non-gold portfolio? Do you think we can see a bit of a decline Q3 onwards?
So we have sufficiently provided. We are a bit conservative also for whatever we have seen, we have foreseen as the credit provision need or credit loss. So we don't anticipate any exceptional provisioning, a higher provisioning needed during the coming quarters. So things are getting better.
Right. Wanted to also discuss about asset quality too, Mr. Nandakumar, and that's largely remained stable, I must admit, in this on a sequential basis. But you remain conservative in terms of lending in the last quarter in the non-gold portfolio. Now that there is a gradual recovery coming in and lending is picking up, where exactly do you see your NPA picture headed, and would you be more at ease when it comes to lending?
No, we have started lending for the last 2 months. So we started lending, and lending is almost coming back to normal now. So in the new lendings, we don't anticipate any asset quality challenge. The lending, we hope it will remain robust, and we are a little more cautious about that. In the the post-COVID environment, our underwriting is made little more cautious. So even in other pre-COVID assets also in the non-gold segment, the collections are improving month on month. In accounts which has not been paid during the last 6 months, many of these started paying during the recent days. And I hope when the moratorium is over and people are conscious about that, and their activities have started, particularly in rural and semi-urban areas, activities have become almost normal. And our major focus area, as far as business is concerned, is in the semi-urban and rural areas. Even in urban areas, yeah, our activities are, our customers are more from the lower middle class whose income has started coming. Their activities have picked up. So accordingly, our collections are improving, our dispersals are also improving.
Sure. Okay, Mr. Nandakumar, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining in. Let's quickly revisit and tell you where the market is up to. We're still latching onto the gains. 12,400 still being held on to, and it's a solid market breadth as well as we speak. On that note, we're going to wind it up in this edition of The Market.